orange walls. The next is, and face is forehead, ear, mouth, teeth, and tongue. Next is the hair. Next is the torso. This is the hair, and this is the neck, and this is our chest using Philippines, and this is our waist here, and this is our belly button, and also a abdomen. Next is the hand. The hand has knuckles. Here, this is the knuckles. Next is fingers. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Okay, next is the fingernail. They have each of them, like
Fingernail.
fingernail.
Where is the fingernail? Can you show me one?
Yes.
Can you show me the fingernail here? Fingernail. Show me the fingernail first. Okay, next.
Next is the thumb.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Next.
Next is thumb.
Oh, where's the thumb?
Here.
Okay.
Next, we're going to start the arm. So this is the shoulder. And
Where's the
this
shoulder?
shoulder.
Where's your shoulder? Mm-hmm.
And this is the other arm here.
Upper arm.
Upper arm.
Mm-hmm.
And next, this is the elbow.
Mm-hmm. Where's the elbow? Okay, good.
Next, this is the forearm.
Mm-hmm. Forearm?
Forearm.
Mm-hmm. Next.
Next is the whistle.
The wrist. The wrist. Here. Next.
Next, this is the scarf. If you have something wrong, that's okay. Don't be scared, everyone. Next is the back.
Mm-hmm.
And next is the hips. Here, this is hips.
Lower.
Lower hips. Okay, there we go.
Mhm.
Sorry. This is buttocks.
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 At the back. That's the back part. That's the back part. The buttocks.
Buttocks.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Next, the foot. This is the ankle.
Show me the ankle. Mm-hmm. Next.
Next is the toe.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. The toes. Next.
And the heel.
Where's the heel? Mm-hmm.
Bye, everyone. Parts of the body today.